Ever wonder why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle financially? In Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, Harv Eker shares insights into the mindset shifts that can change your financial destiny. Today, we'll go over 6 key mindsets from the book that can help you think and grow rich. Mindset number 1. I create my life. Wealthy people take full responsibility for their financial outcomes. They believe they're in control of their success, and they don't blame others or outside forces. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, they ask, how can I afford this? Shifting from passive to proactive thinking helps you take charge of your financial future. Mindset number 2. I play to win. Wealthy people are focused on achieving abundance, not just scraping by. They're ambitious and set bold financial goals. Instead of settling for security, they play to win, pushing themselves to maximize their potential. Adopting this mindset encourages you to aim higher and embrace new opportunities for wealth. Mindset number 3. I admire rich and successful people. Rather than feeling envy or resentment, wealthy people see successful people as inspirations. This positive view opens doors to learning and growth. If you look at others with a, if they can do it, so can I mentality, you're more likely to pursue your own success with confidence. Mindset number 4. I focus on opportunities, not obstacles. Wealthy people see possibilities where others see problems. They have a mindset that looks for solutions and capitalizes on opportunities. When faced with challenges, focus on what can be gained rather than what could go wrong. This optimistic approach is key to growing wealth. Mindset number 5. I act in spite of fear. Wealthy people know that fear is natural but refuse to let it hold them back. They feel the fear but do it anyway. Whether it's fear of failure, risk, or judgment, taking action despite these fears is essential for growth. Success isn't about never being afraid. It's about not letting fear stop you. Mindset number 6. I think big. Wealthy people dream big and set high expectations for themselves. They know that limited thinking creates limited results. When you allow yourself to think big, you open up to possibilities that can lead to greater success and wealth. So aim higher, set bigger goals, and believe you're capable of achieving them. Changing your financial life starts with changing your mindset. By adopting these 6 mindsets from Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, you'll start thinking like a millionaire. And that's the first step toward becoming one. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on how to think and grow